What's going on, you guys? This tiny knife is super sharp and can fit in your pocket or be worn on a necklace. A brand new e-paper Android tablet redefines the way we use smart tablets. And this small device could save your life in the event of an emergency. On top of that, this smart duvet will make your bed without you having to lift a finger. The future is now. Gearbug. Gearbug is an all-new device that provides a tough steel blade with an amazingly sharp edge that allows you to cut through almost anything. It offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance so that you can use it in all types of settings, including taking it outdoors. This small device will fit in the palm of your hand and could even be tossed into a pocket, backpack, or purse for safekeeping. The handle is made out of pure titanium, so it has a smooth feel that keeps it super comfortable and durable. Gearbug has a very unique aesthetic that sets it apart from other small knives. You can wear it as a pendant or even a keychain. There's even a built-in bottle opener for taking to parties or days at the beach. Gearbug is just $29 on Indiegogo. Rankstone R1. The new Rankstone R1 is the world's thinnest e-paper Android tablet. It offers a 140 color display and has one of the best displays of any e-paper Android tablet on the market. It was specifically designed for writing and reading, but also works great as a daily use tablet for all your work-related needs. You can even use it for normal entertainment, such as using apps or watching videos. This is a fully functional tablet that will give you a reading experience unlike anything you've ever seen. It will allow you to read files, take notes, install apps, and have the best Android experience possible while being able to interact with all of your most important documents. This tablet offers built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB charging, a 4500 mAh battery, a multi-touch display, and a touch-sensitive stylus. This tablet is available now for $429 on Kickstarter. One-Up. One-Up is a brand new type of portable and ultra-compact, life-preserving device that was specifically designed for lifeguards or your average person to take with them to the beach or pool. This device is self-inflating and reusable. It's super easy to use and will fit into almost any bag. While remaining the size of an average soda can, this device may save your life in the event of an emergency. Drowning is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but with One-Up, you'll know you're safe when playing in the water. This is the world's first truly portable life preserver that will inflate the moment it makes impact with water. You can store it in your bag, or even clip it onto the waistband of your pants. The choice is yours. One-Up is available now for $99. Mini Fridge. This mini fridge is the perfect solution for your home, office, or bedroom. Its small size and portability make it super easy and convenient to take wherever you go. It can easily fit into your travel bag, office, car, boat, tent, and so much more. It measures about 5 inches by 7.5 inches and can fit up to 6 soda cans inside. A removable shelf is included so that you can easily fit a small container of milk, yogurt, or other small items. With the simple flip of a switch, you can swap between cooling and warming features, so you'll always have access to what you need whenever you need it. You can keep your beverages cold or your lunch warm. The choice is yours. It's available now for $42. Rotablade Pendulum. The Rotablade pendulum is one of the world's greatest new fidget spinners to help reduce your anxiety and keep your mind occupied. It will fit in the palm of your hand and can alleviate symptoms of ADHD, OCD, and autism. The movements of this fidget spinner are super unique, taking different paths each time you spin it. The unpredictable results give this toy limitless fun, allowing you to spin one or both arms independently. It's super durable, made out of stainless steel with machined arms that will never break or fall off. It uses 2 hybrid ceramic bearings for long-lasting fun and fidgeting. This toy is suitable for kids or adults and has no removable parts that may pose a choking hazard. Regardless of how high or low functioning you may be, this toy has something for everyone. The Rotablade pendulum is available now for $17.99. Urego Drummy. This new washing machine does not require any sort of power source, and it was designed to keep your clothes as fresh and clean as possible, without requiring any form of non-renewable energy. This washer is perfect for off-the-grid living, or for using in an urban home where you may not have much free space for a washer. You can even use it in your RV or mobile home, or even take it to the gym to wash your clothes after a workout. You can spin the clothes at up to 600 RPM, making it safe for even the most delicate of items. You can wash up to 2 kilograms of laundry in as little as 5 minutes, saving you heaps of time over a normal washer or hand washer. You can find the Urego Drummy right now for $369. Neofit Roller. This foam roller can be taken almost anywhere, allowing you to work out your tense muscles or tendons no matter where you may go. It's very easy to use and is even collapsible, allowing you to toss it into your bag or luggage when you're finished. This foam roller can handle up to 350 pounds and is made out of EVA foam that penetrates deep into your muscles. It has an ergonomic grip for fast and simple expansion and is ultra lightweight, weighing less than 2 pounds. It will expand from 4 inches to 12 inches in less than a second and has an industry standard 5.5-inch diameter. You can roll out the muscles in your legs, arms, back, or neck using a variety of rolling techniques. You can find the Neofit roller on Indiegogo right now, but pricing is currently unavailable. Smart Duvet. The Smart Duvet is a new way for you to make your bed without having to actually make your bed. This unique design will make your bed for you each morning so that you can always return home to a soft, cozy, and tidy bed at the end of the day. On top of this, the Smart Duvet will even allow you to control the climate of each side of your mattress, allowing you to sleep nice and cool while your partner sleeps with heat. You can control the thermostat setting using a smartphone app, allowing you to take full control of your nightly sleeping experience. Pricing starts at just $473, and products will begin shipping in August. Gravastar Venus. The Gravastar Venus is a Bluetooth speaker unlike anything you've ever seen. This speaker is made out of zinc alloy and offers RGB lighting and a 10-watt full-range speaker system. It has a movable diaphragm and allows you to dial in the perfect tone you're looking for, and offers truly wireless audio using Bluetooth technology. You can pair it with any modern device, and it will remain connected even when it is 50 feet away. It offers 10 hours of playtime on a single charge, and will blow you away with the amount of rich, powerful bass that can be emitted from its relatively small speaker. You can find a Gravastar Venus on Indiegogo right now for $79.